It has never been easier to grow on YouTube as it is right now. It seems like nowadays that YouTube videos are constantly getting over 10 million views, but when you go back in the day, getting 1 million views on a video was considered impressive. And in just a couple of years, I predict that some YouTube channels will be posting a video every single day and getting hundreds of millions of views on them. And the reason for this is because the amount of content creators is not matching the amount of record-breaking viewers getting on YouTube every single year. And by following the 5 secrets that you guys will be discovering within this video, not only will you guys be tapping into making viral worthy YouTube videos, but you'll be using AI to make it as easy as possible. And getting into secret number 1, we first have to understand how YouTube works, because YouTube at the end of the day is still a business. And because it's a business, YouTube's main goal is for people to stay on the platform and keep watching videos so they can get the most amount of ad revenue as possible from those views. So with that being said, YouTube videos that have people staying on the platform for the longest are the videos that YouTube is most likely to platform and to promote. An effective way of doing this is to create a bunch of playlists on your channel to put all your videos in. So if people were watching the playlist, it would go to the next one and the next one and increase session time. And at the end of every single one of your videos, you want to get people from one video to the other by promoting a completely different video that you think they're most likely to go and watch. And if you do this and keep people on the platform, YouTube will recognize this. And they will grant your videos much more views than other videos on the platform that direct people off of YouTube or don't keep people watching. Another key way to keep people watching your videos for super long and keep them on the platform is by using an AI software called TubeMagic, which is specifically designed for YouTube creators and by YouTube creators. TubeMagic actually studies viral outlier videos on YouTube that tend to have high engagement and develops some sort of model that you can tap into by using AI and machine learning. So right now on TubeMagic's main tool page, I'm gonna wanna scroll down to the AI video scripts tool right here and hit on it. And then I'm gonna press the title of my video. So for this example, I'm gonna do 10 things to consider when planning a vacation, and then write a top 10 video about travel as context. Now I'm going to select a word length, so I'm going to make this super high because it's 10. In fact, I'll actually make it 5 things. And then I'm going to select a template right here. And I'm going to press on general script right here and then hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is actually accessing this completely viral engagement formula, and it's writing a script all for you. And as you can see, the word count is going up, and TubeMagic is completely writing it from scratch using videos that are already winning on YouTube. As you can see right here, destination selection, budget planning, it's completely making me my entire video just like that in scratch. And this could take me a minute or two to write one script. It could take me less than an hour to write 15 scripts. However, if you want to try one of the most top tier softwares on the entire internet, specifically designed to supercharge your YouTube channel, well, you can get TubeMagic for $1 for 1 week in the description below by pressing on that link. And that was secret 1, and we still have 4 left for you to discover. Now for secret number 2, I want you guys to imagine something. Imagine instead of people only getting your videos recommended on their homepage, on their suggested videos, your video actually shows up at the very top of search results when people search a specific keyword on YouTube. Like for example, if this video ranked for the keyword artificial intelligence, it would get hundreds of thousands of views because artificial intelligence is such a searched keyword on YouTube. Now you guys might be wondering how you could possibly rank high for search results when you don't know which keywords are very searched and which ones have the least amount of competition. Well, there's actually a complete way you guys can do this using AI. And by knowing this one simple trick, you are putting yourself ahead of 99% of creators who don't know how to do this at all. So right now, back on TubeMagic, I'm gonna go down to the keyword research tool right here, and I'm gonna put in a keyword related to my video. So for example, I'm gonna do affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna hit on search right here. And TubeMagic now is tapping directly into YouTube's API and giving me a list of all of these keywords with the amount of searches they're getting per month, the competition, and an overall magic score. And I can easily start filtering these by the amount of search volume they're getting, the competition, and the magic score. Like for example, Digistore24 affiliate marketing is getting 40,000 views a month with a low competition. So I can make a video about that and tap into a video that doesn't have much competition on YouTube currently. Or like for example, TikTok affiliate marketing with 90,000 views a month with low competition as well, with an 8 as a magic score. And so you can just keep going through and find all these good keywords to make videos about and rank super high on the search results for low competition keywords. And once you get more subscribers, you can start targeting these ones that have have a higher search volume with a high competition and get tons of views from all of the search results. And generally what I like to do is I like to filter by magic score and just copy this and put it into a spreadsheet so I can access it offline on the go and write scripts while I'm traveling. But there's another research tool that you can actually use for your content. And so going back to the TubeMagic main tool page, I'm gonna go over to video research and I can just simply type in my niche. So for example, I'm doing fishing, and then I can actually select the view range by 100K to 1 million or 1 million plus, a little higher, so load more. And here we go. Minecraft fish trap catches axolotl. The biggest one I've ever seen lives in this forbidden spillway. So I can just keep finding these top ranking videos within the fishing niche. And once I find a channel I like, I can actually just press on their name and see if they have good content that is consistently getting views. So for example, right here, this guy's getting pretty good views within the fishing niche specifically. So what I'm gonna wanna do is I'm gonna wanna bookmark this page, or what I'm gonna wanna do is just copy their name right now, and this will be very useful for our next secret that we will be sharing. Now for secret 3, we're gonna be right back on TubeMagic, and this is how simple and straightforward this is. We're using one AI software for this entire process, but right on TubeMagic, we're gonna go to the video ideas tool right here, and we're just gonna simply input the name of the channel we put in and then hit on generate right here. And now TubeMagic is making us unlimited, unique, viral worthy video ideas based off a channel that already has winning videos within your niche. So for example, a monster fish is hiding in this secret abandoned quarry, and I can just generate it again and generate it again as much as I want and create a bunch of viral video ideas. This hidden cave holds a monster fish, unbelievable catch. These are all amazing keywords because we're using a channel that's already winning within our niche, and you can just tap into it by using machine learning. And using this tool, you can make a whole month worth of video ideas in 15 minutes if you model the correct channel that already is getting views within your niche. Using this tool, the TubeMagic channel itself has gotten tons of winning videos despite being fairly new, but also being in a super competitive niche such as make money online and such as how to grow on YouTube. My challenge to you guys is use this tool and see how far you can get in your YouTube channel by simply modeling videos that already work, because if you use the right channel, this will work for you. So to recap the first 3 secrets in the video, we talked about how to get engaging videos, how to get high placements in the search results on YouTube by using good keywords, and how to model your channel after one that's already winning, one that's already getting viral videos within your niche. However, the question is, how can we get our videos recommended to the right audience who will actually watch our video? Well, that's where optimization comes in, because the way you do your titles, description, and tags on YouTube is super important for what audience gets your videos pushed out to them. Like for example, if you're doing tech videos, but your tech videos are being pushed out to the people in the sports niche, they want to watch your videos, they want to watch them to the very end and be engaged, and then YouTube will just automatically assume that your videos have bad engagement and would stop pushing them. But by properly optimizing your tech videos so they end up in the audience of the tech niche, then you'll have people who are actually interested in your video and you'll have good engagement, right? However, most people don't know how to properly optimize their video so that YouTube can push them out to the correct audience. It is one of the hardest problems that new YouTubers face. But now in today's age, we thankfully have AI to completely do all of the hard work for us. So I've uploaded an old video as an example, and instead of putting a title here, instead of putting a description, and instead of putting tags right here like most people would, you guys are much smarter than that. You guys are going to use the smart method. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this all blank, and instead of putting this as private, instead of putting this as public, instead of putting this as scheduled, we're gonna put this as unlisted and save that. And once the video is finished processing, we're gonna go over here and copy the link, and then we're gonna switch back over to TubeMagic. So now back on the TubeMagic main tool page, I'm gonna scroll down to this warp upload optimizer right here. And I'm going to simply put in the URL of my video and hit on generate. Now TubeMagic is actually accessing videos with 10, 20, 30 million views and looking at their viral optimization. And just like that, it made me a completely optimized title, description, and tags completely made for my YouTube video that I can just copy simply by pressing this and putting it in and then switching it to public. And just like that, I've optimized my video with a viral optimization model in seconds. Now, obviously this method can't guarantee you'll get a viral video, but it will give your video the best chance of going viral on YouTube. So if you post genuinely good content, you will have a fair chance of going viral on YouTube. And instead of you not knowing keywords, instead of you not knowing how to do optimization and not having a fair chance at YouTube, you finally will with using viral AI optimization. However, we have one last secret that most people don't know about that can get you a community started on YouTube early when you don't have any subscribers, you don't have any viewers, which basically makes this free subscribers. But if you guys gotten any value from this video so far, then consider joining our completely free live training that we at TubeMagic will be hosting for you guys to add some more value and give back to you guys. The spots for this free training are super limited and they run out quickly, but you can secure your spot right now by pressing on the link in the description and attending our free live training where you guys will discover secrets on going viral on YouTube with very minor changes. But now for you to discover this last AI secret, we have to put out some news that YouTube shared recently that could completely change the platform. YouTube recently announced that they will be rolling out post-only feeds on YouTube, similar to Twitter, where you'll see your creators making text posts and they will be put on the homepage instead of your typical video-based content. Barely any creators have caught wind of this and understand the potential of how many new subscribers you could possibly gain by just putting out text-based posts on YouTube instead of videos. However, it's not massive news that community posts have gotten people tons of subscribers in the past, but with this new post-only feed, it's only going to accelerate it and make it so you can build a community completely from text-based posts. Now, some of you guys might think that making text-based posts would be super annoying and super repetitive, but on TubeMagic's main tool page, you can actually go to the community posts feature right here and simply input your own channel or a reference. So I'm going to put Iraq as an example, and you can make it a poll or just do it as normal and hit on generate, and TubeMagic will completely make you a community guideline post just like this. And so now you can just completely copy and model community guideline posts after a channel that you like and post these every single day and get new subscribers from text-based posts. You can get TubeMagic for $1 for 1 week, one of the most top-tier AI softwares on the entire internet, by pressing on the link in the description below. Now here's the thing, YouTube actually studies your viewing habits and they're actually recommending that you watch this video next. So who knows, by pressing on this next video, you might get some value that you've got nowhere else before because YouTube's recommending it specifically to you.